This AI bot is not in your Discord server. So as you all know about all the Discord rumors that some invisible Discord bots has been added to your Discord server by the Discord officials, and this rumor has created a chaos in Discord community and among all the Discord users. So let me clear this that this news is fake. Discord is not some local application which will do an activity this cheap, and Discord will never go against their policy. For the clarification, there has been said that there are 4 invisible Discord bots which has been added to your Discord server, and one of them is none other than Domo AI. So let me show you what Domo AI is. Domo AI is an image restyle bot or an application used in Discord to enhance your animated images and other images as well. So as you can see, they already said in their article that this works like in any plugin system where just one optional tool you can choose from Discord's built-in app menu. Domo AI does not access or use any image unless you explicitly choose it through the Edit with Apps option in Discord. We do not train on your artwork or images, and no content is stored after generation is complete. Your creations remain 100% yours. We want to assure you that your privacy and creative rights are fully respected. So as you can see, all the other bots which are said to be invisible are not invisible, and they are safe as well. So yes, there is no need to worry about anything regarding this. And if something still happens to your Discord server or your Discord profile, you can always talk through Discord support team by going to their website and contact for support. So yes, this was it for today's video. I hope this guide was helpful for you guys. Consider subscribing, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.